Maxbot is here. Friends, you will become much faster and more efficient traders if you listen to what I am going to tell you today. By the way, right now you can pick up the Smart Assistant robot from the link in the description absolutely free of charge. It helps me, it collects indicator data and gives recommendations. In a month you will be able to get it only for a fee. I recommend you to hurry up. All questions you can ask our manager, the link below the video. To not miss important insights, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. I will be very happy with your likes and comments. So, it's time to get to work. Australian and Canadian dollar, 5 minutes. The robot gave me a recommendation, buy. It shows me that 3 indicators are burning green, with multiple showing neutral. Yes, it's going to be a hard-fought battle here. The robot's data update interval is 1 minute. I agreed with the artificial intelligence. What does the historical data show? Potential price reversal. Now the bears will use up their main potential and a rebound from the support zone is possible. This impulse may open a second breath for buyers. Friends, pay attention. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. Let me start this off with something no one wants to hear but everyone needs to hear. If you don't respect money management, the market won't respect you. Too many traders crash and burn not because their strategy is bad, but because they go all in on hope and ignore the math. The 1 to 2% rule per trade is not playing it safe, it's playing it smart. Think of your deposit like oxygen on a spaceship. You don't blow it all at once because of one shiny signal. You ration it, protect it, multiply it. Start with $100? Stick to $1 trades. Got $1,000? Now we're cooking with $10 trades, $8 profit per win. But if you blow half your capital chasing a sure thing, you're not trading, you're gambling with your parachute on fire. Discipline isn't sexy, but it's what builds real profit. Now let's talk about that pain. The struggle, the 5 losses in a row, the blown account, the voice in your head whispering, maybe this isn't for me. But what if I told you, every successful trader felt the same? What if I told you every millionaire you admire also thought of quitting? That behind every Instagram flex is a moment of breakdown they don't post? Let's talk Rocky Balboa. He wasn't the best boxer. He just refused to stay down. He kept getting back up. That's what made him iconic. Trading is no different. You're in the ring with your doubts, with fear, with revenge trading. But every day you stick to your plan, that's a win. And remember, even Rocky had a coach. I built a smart assistant, not to trade for you, but to make your decisions smarter. It simplifies signal analysis, filters the noise, and gives you clarity when the market is screaming. Think of it like your personal Jarvis, but for candlesticks. And right now, it's completely free. But heads up, in a month, it becomes a paid tool. So if you're watching this and thinking, I need help keeping things clear, don't wait. Links in the description. Try it now while it's open to everyone. In the meantime, I've had success and am moving on to the second trade. British pound and Japanese yen, 5 minutes. New recommendation from the robot, active selling. 11 indicators are shouting about the strength of the bears. Yes, the situation here is very clear. Friends, we help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, the historical data showed me a systematic decline in price, lower highs. I am waiting for a new bounce on the downside. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Here's something else no one says loud enough. You can make it. Even if you're not a numbers person. Even if you have a 9 to 5. Even if you've failed 100 times before. I know people who walked away from full-time jobs and now live off trading. Not because they had some magic gift, but because they were obsessed with learning, not winning. One guy the first no started in his bedroom with $150. Now, he trades 2 hours a day and spends the rest surfing. Why? Because he respected risk and scaled slowly. And that's the game. Smart plus consistent equals dangerous. Let's get real about something else. Risk. Trading is risky. Just like business. Just like real estate. Just like starting a YouTube channel. But risk is neutral. It's how you handle it that defines your outcome. Don't avoid risk. Learn to dance with it. Control it. Measure it. And when it shows up, don't panic. Respond like a chess player. Analyze your trades. Every win. Every loss. Ask yourself, did I follow my setup? Was the market choppy? Was I emotional? Your goal isn't perfection. Your goal is improvement. And here's a pro tip. Keep a journal. Write it all down. You'd be shocked how much you can fix just by observing your own behavior. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me, how do you manage your risk? What strategy has worked best for you? What indicator or tool do you trust most? What's the biggest thing the market taught you? Let's make the comments a place where real traders share real insight, not fake wins and empty hype. And if this video spoke to you, smash that like button. Share it with one struggling trader you know. Because maybe, just maybe, that's what keeps them going. You're not here by accident. You're not failing, you're learning. You're not done, you're building. Trading isn't for everyone, but those who stay, grow. And those who grow, win. So what's it gonna be? You versus you. This is your comeback story. Let's trade. I finished the job. The result is on the screen. Pick up the bot and subscribe. See you soon, friends. It gets better from here.